And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 114. Let me show you how you can create a ball text effect. We use the type tool, type in your text, hold shift and all when you size it up. And I use Myriad Pro, but I'm going to switch it to a bold style. And now use right here the warp options, left click on it. The default should be an arc. Let's switch it to bulge right here. With the bend, you adjust the intensity, but make sure the preview is checked. Then you can see the effect applied in real time. And switch it to horizontal. In this case, I wouldn't go to 100%, maybe like 75 to 85. That should be a good circle. And then don't forget to confirm we are okay. And you've got this ball effect created in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.